Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about the industrial automation and use of IoT in industry. So we have so many things in the industry. For example, we have the machines, we have the production unit, we have the manufacturing unit. So all these units can be controlled using the IoT, and all the things can be monitored and replicated by means of the monitored, and I can say you can keep an eye on your each activity of the industry using the IoT system. So there are two things basically. One of the things is the machine diagnosis and prognosis, and indoor air quality monitoring. So here is some theory about the machine diagnosis and prognosis, where machine prognosis refers to the predicting the performance of a machine by analyzing the data on the current operating conditions and how much deviation exists from normal operation conditions. So we can find that what are the normal operating conditions of the machine, and we can find that how the machine is performing right now, and accordingly we can have some decisions on the base of this data. So some machine diagnosis refers to the determining the cause of the machine fault, and IoT plays a major role in both prognosis and diagnosis of the industrial machine. Industrial machines have a large number of the components that must function correctly for the machine to perform its operations. So basically we use the sensors for understanding the behavior of the machine, and we just connect the sensors with the machine, and the sensor is connected to a thing, and this thing is connected to the cloud, and this cloud based operation can provide the data over the internet, and by means of the applications we can have this data. So there is a big machine, you can see here some smart lighting are over there, machine diagnosis system is also there, indoor air quality monitoring is also there. So you need to make a system, and you need to provide all these type of the data whenever this question comes in your exam. So prognosis, health management, emergency services are also there. So all these things are important, and need to provide the data accordingly. So there are so many harmful gases, for example carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide. So all these type of the gases need to be monitored whenever we are in the industrial system, and that need to be taken care, and that these things can be connected using the IoT devices. So thank you for this lecture. In the next lecture I will tell you about health and monitoring. Thank you.